Hello, everybody. I trust you're doing well, and hello to you as well, parents. Kittens, chipmunks, and squirrels, we are going to learn in a different way now. You'll be able to see your teachers, but it's going to be so hard for you to actually communicate with us. But your mummies and your daddies, your grandpas and your aunties and your sisters or your brothers, they can also make a video of you and send it to us. Then we can also see you. So we're going to do things differently. I'm going to sing 2 songs with you this morning, and then I'm going to do mind moves with you. Then another teacher is going to read a Bible and say a prayer with you, and another teacher will sing some songs with you. Remember, there's Miss Mudubu, Mrs. Friedman, and Miss Howard. Here we go. But we need to change these weights now because remember, we're at home, but we're not at school. So now you still remember the song, but just at the end there, the words are different. It goes like this. Hello, everybody. Hello to you. How are you? How do you do? Hello, everybody at home today. Hello to you. Remember, this is also part of the mind moves, but it's just a song, but it's also part of mind moves. We wave to the side. Hello, 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 hello. Wriggle your fingers and wriggle your toes. Hello, 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 hello. Wriggle your knees and wriggle your nose. Dance and sing with you, round the ring with you, songs to share with you everywhere. Dance and sing with you, round the ring with you, songs to share with you everywhere. Good job, boys and girls. Remember the rules. Now we're going to do our mind moves. Firstly, we're going to switch on our brains. So now I'll ask you to rub your ears. Okay, Miss Mudubu needs to get her ears out of the tuk. So we're going to rub our ears all the way from the top. Let's go, everybody. Rub, rub, rub. Remember, you need to sit nicely and breathe in while you do it. And rub, rub, rub. All the way to the bottom of your ear on your earlobe. Good job. And let's go again all the way from the top. Let's rub. We're switching on our brain. Good jobs, boys and girls. Yes, let's rub, rub, rub. Well done, everybody. All the way to the bottom. Good job. One last time, all the way from the top. Rub, rub, rub. Well done. Rub, rub, rub. All the way to the bottom. Good job. Now, we are going to work on those fine motor skills. We are going to squeeze our hand as tight as we can. We're squeezing that back. Remember, you have to count with me from 1 to 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Stretch them wide. It needs to hit there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the second time, let's squeeze that back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And open wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one last time, squeeze them tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And open wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, everybody. Now we're going to do the rise and shine. That's our last mind moves. Remember, we breathe in and out, and then we give ourselves a big hug. Okay? Let's go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Give yourself a big hug. Say, I love you. I love you. Come on, let's breathe in again. Breathe out. Say, I'm kind.
I'm kind.
Good job, everybody. And one last time, breathe in. Breathe out. Say, I'm special.
I'm special.
Well done, everybody. See you soon. Bye for now.